This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.Murdock. Spacious and bright, 4-bedroom 2.5 bath, single-family home in Indian Lakes neighborhood. Gorgeous updated kitchen with beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and custom tile backsplash. Easy maintenance laminate flooring and carpet and neutral colors throughout. Relax on the patio in wooded backyard. All appliances including washer and dryer included. Lovely master bedroom suite with an ensuite bathroom. Association amenities include playgrounds, clubhouse, pool, and tennis courts for fun and recreation. Located minutes from shopping, restaurants, and easy access to highways. Available January 20, 2022. The application can be found here, www.townerentals.com. Separate application required per adult living in the home. No pets, non-smoking unit. For more information, review the details below.